my name is Una. A lion can sneeze. Lion is not happy. The other animals in the zoo can sneeze, but he can. The other animals say, Lion, you can be king, you can sneeze. Lion is sad. He sees a small bird. She asks, How are you, Lion? I am such a small bird. Say, Lion, I can sneeze. I can be king. Can you help me? You can sneeze. I can help you. What's this? Says small bird. The small bird flies up to Lion's nose. She moves her feet. She dances and dances on his nose. She tickles and tickles his nose. Achoo! And Leon sneezed a big sneeze. Thank you, small bird. I can sneeze. Now I can be king. Thank you.